Over the past month or even years, most of what I've shared publicly has been focused on the market, technicals, setups, live scalping, weekly trade outlooks, the kind of analysis that keeps us grounded in structure. And truth be told, that's what I was aligned with at the time. That's what I knew how to offer. And I know it helped a lot of people stay organized and less reactive in volatile conditions. But lately, there has been a subtle shift, a quiet pull to share something deeper, not beyond trading, but beneath it. Because as much as we talk about the trading edge, the trading setup, the executions, I've come to see something clearly. What if the reason your trading isn't working isn't really about your strategy at all, but your identity? I'm not saying this to sound philosophical in any way. I'm saying it because I've lived it. I've seen it in those I mentor, and I've seen it in myself silently. We usually think that if we just journal more, backtest more, tweak our entry a little better, or whatever it is in your own case, we'll finally become consistently profitable. But what if the real issue is that we are trading from an identity built on survival, built on fear or pressure to prove something to family, friends, the people watching us? We each carry our own story into the charts, and sometimes it's that story that keeps tripping us up. What if the version of you placing the trade is doing so from a nervous system that's always bracing for failure or begging for breakthrough? Because if that is the case, then even the best edge won't help. It will keep short-circuiting under pressure. You will hit streaks, but not sustainability. I have come to notice in myself and in others that our performance tends to reflect how safe we feel in the unknown. Not just safe in the market, but safe in ourselves. When I'm emotionally grounded, I trade cleaner. My instincts are sharper. My wins don't scare me, and my losses don't define me. But when I'm in survival mode, even the most obvious setups feels shaky. Not because I doubt the market, but because part of me still doubts me. And so, I'm beginning a rebuild series, not just of strategy, but of self. This isn't just something I've figured out and moved on from. It's something I'm still overcoming and still working through. Every day, I see a little more clearly how much of trading is about me, not just my method. And that's what I want to start sharing. Not just how I trade, but who I'm trading as. And of course, yes, Forex Money Mastery continues. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday, that is not changing. I'm just saying I'm still a student of the market, and now I will be sharing how I am also becoming a student of myself. So in the days ahead, I will be sharing what this process looks like from the inside, how I'm learning emotional resilience, how I'm retraining my nervous system to stay calm under pressure, how I'm shifting my identity from someone who reacts to someone who creates. This is not just another session or tutorial, it's an invitation to rebuild together. Not just through technical analysis, but through the deeper work of becoming who we are meant to be in the market. Because I truly believe that if you haven't already, a time will come when you realize that your trading edge alone isn't enough. The real edge will be embodiment. How much of yourself you can bring to the chart without falling apart. Mind you, I don't have it all figured out. I'm still learning, still unlearning, still rebuilding. But I've seen enough to know that this layer, the one beneath the charts, matters deeply. So if you are in that space too, where you are not just looking for the next setup, but trying to understand why it's not clicking, maybe this is something we can explore together. No gimmicks, no hype, just a willingness to look at what's real, both in the market and in ourselves. That's where I'm starting from. And if that resonates with you, you are welcome to walk this path with me. I don't know where this leads exactly, but I'll keep showing up and sharing what's real as it comes. Maybe something in the next episode will speak to where you are too. See you soon. Good afternoon.